Hi, I'm Gord Potter from GP Outdoors. I see you bought yourself a Mingo Marker. Great choice. One of the common questions that I get asked over the last number of years is what kind of paint works best in the Mingo? Let me share with you my experience. It's called inverted marker paint. You're going to find it in the same aisle as all the other aerosol spray cans. Whether it's your Home Depots, your big box stores, or your local hardware store, head down the paint aisle. You're going to see a whole bunch of different types of paint, and somewhere along in that aisle, you're going to see a can that looks like every other one with one big and very important difference. It says inverted on the can. And that's because this particular type of marking paint works upside down. I certainly can't recommend what brand works best, but what I have learned by experience over the years is that different manufacturers of inverted marker paint use a different type of tip sometimes. And what we've learned here over the years is that the can that has this white cylindrical tip tends to work best in the Mingo. Let me show you how to insert it in the canister. You want to make sure that the inverted marker paint can is fully inserted inside the canister of the Mingo. If you see it sitting like this, in other words, if you can see the bottom of the paint can or it's level with the Mingo, that means the can is not fully inserted. See? What you want to do is wiggle that trigger, and you want to make sure that that tip is fully inserted into the trigger. You'll know this is the case because the can should sit approximately ½ an inch below the top of the Mingo. Now you know you're ready to mark. Let's test it out. Yep, exactly 16 inches every time. One final pro tip. When you're done, just like any other aerosol paint can, make sure you clean the paint off the tip so it's ready to go the next time. I hope the video's been helpful today. Enjoy your time in the woods. Cheers.